In this quick guide, you'll learn how to use the COUNTA function like a pro. Start by understanding what COUNTA actually does. It counts every cell that is not empty. That means it includes text, numbers, dates, and even symbols. If there's anything inside the cell, COUNTA will count it. Now open your Google Sheet and click on an empty cell where you want the result. Type this formula equals COUNTA A2, A7. Press enter and you'll instantly see how many cells in that range contain data. Here's the simple logic. COUNTA checks each cell and asks one question, is this empty or not? If it has anything inside, it gets counted. If you want to count another column, just change the range. For example, equals COUNTA B2, B7. And if you want to count across multiple columns at once, you can expand the range like this. Equals COUNTA A2, B7. This will count all non-empty cells in both columns combined. One important thing to remember is that COUNTA does not care what type of data is inside the cell. Even a space or a small symbol will be counted. And that's it. You now have a fast and reliable way to count filled cells in Google Sheets without any manual effort. If this helped you, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets tips.